So today is really an extension of, I guess, the culture that's been set up within the business, and with the enthusiasm from the people that were involved last year, it just spilled over, and everyone who is new in the business has come along today.
Probably the hardest thing was to try and come up with something that was bigger and better than what we did last year.
It's just, great to be a part of this again. Now we're always thinking about the next one. Everyone wants to be part of it.
This family have an autistic son. They spend a lot of time around him, making sure he's got a quality of life. They're also giving back to the community. They run soccer programs, they run a lot of team management style things. Local family in our business community that our staff can get involved with and have an impact.
This is our second time, and it's probably my favourite day of the year. I guess it's just how good it feels for Fiona and Alex and their family, and seeing the joy and happiness it's bringing them is the best part of it all.
Oh, wow. This is amazing. Thank you all so much for giving up your time and your energy, and it's just amazing. It's overwhelming and it's just amazing, and I can't say thank you enough. So thank you all.